Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer lobster tail. Let's begin. We'll need 4 tablespoons of melted butter. We're using Kerrygold butter because it's my favorite butter. And we have here 4 tablespoons of melted butter. We'll need 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Here you go, that's 1 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1 teaspoon of chopped up parsley. There you go. And we'll save the rest for later. Half teaspoon of black pepper. And lastly, we'll need 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Just gonna squeeze some of the lemon juice out. There you go. Take everything and mix it all together. Okay, it's looking good. We're gonna put this to the side. We have here crab seafood scissors, and now we're just gonna cut open the tail. We're just gonna open it up right here. Just cut it down the center. There we go. Then we're going to turn it over. And we're going to push down. When you press down, be careful of the spikes. There we go. And now we're just going to take the meat and pull it out. You can open it up. There's you can remove the vein. Okay, we pulled out the lobster tail meat. And now let's add the butter garlic sauce. Stir it around a little bit. We're just going to add it on top. Make sure to coat the whole tail. This is what it looks like before we put it in. And now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to push the preheat button. And we're going to preheat it to 400 degrees. And we'll be back. It's been preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put it in. Just going to take the lobster tail, put it in. There we go. Alright, now let's put it in. We're going to cook it for 400 degrees for a total time of 8 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 8 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take it out. Looking great. Let's check the temperature real quick. And it's above 140 degrees. And we're set. Let's take it out. Next, we're just going to take some chopped up parsley and sprinkle it on top. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer lobster tail. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here. Have a bite, and thanks for watching.